welcome back to my channel, Mia's Awesomeness. Today I'm going to be showing you my slimes that I've made. I put these slimes in my collector's box, so I'm just going to be showing you them today. This is, I named it Orange Guts. I don't know why. I just pretend like the little foam balls are the seeds, and then like the orange stuff is the pumpkin. It stretches good. Whoa, did you see that, guys? It stretches good. Next one is raspberry. I put hearts in it. I don't know why. If you can see that one, guys, that's one. You can't really stretch it fast. You have to go like that. It's really satisfying to me, guys. That was a horrible swirl. Okay, now on to this. This is banana, I call it. It's because it looks like a banana. It's kind of sticky, you know. It's really sticky. Okay, next one. Okay, so this one is called green apple. Yeah, green apple. Just gonna get this banana slime off real quick. Okay, so this one doesn't really stretch good, but I just like it because I like to crunch it. It's a good pokey slime. That's all it is. Okay, now. Okay, this one. I added a little bit too much activator on this one, but it's still good. I mean, it's a little bit rubbery. I'll fix it. I mean, it's a good pokey slime. And it's just called I haven't named this one yet. Comment down below what I should name this one, because I haven't named it. Okay, now. This one is bubblegum. It's my largest slime in the collector's box. It stretches good, it pokes good. This is probably the best one I have in my collector's box, guys. It's just really stretchy, I love it. And, you know, sorry, guys. I just think it's satisfying again. Now, this one, I haven't named this one. I mean, I'm thinking of a couple names. Comment down below. I should name it cherry or strawberry. Now, this one, it's called Blue Sea. It's really good, guys. It's a really stretchy slime. It's kind of glossy, really shiny, really pokey, guys. You can put it like that, but I just made a big hole. So yeah, really good slime swirl with it. Okay, now this is called chocolate. It kind of looks like chocolate. I mean, there's a foam balls in it. It's really stretchy. Not really that pokeable. Next one. Okay, now this one is the same exact thing as this one. So comment down below again if I should name it cherry or strawberry. Next one. Oh, I love this one. This one is sky. Because I just thought of this name. I mean, it's not really good stretching, but really good fidgeting, good poking. So yeah, it has foam beads in it, or should I just say no? It has foam beads in it. Okay, now this one is my second favorite. It's very, 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 very stretchy. It has foam balls in it. It has like little confetti stuff in it. And you know, so, oh, and this one's party too. This one is grape. Very stretchy. Foam balls go out of it. It's really good, like, poking slime. Yeah, so this one's great. Okay, now this one has like a lot of beads in it. I don't know why. It has foam balls and beads in it. I just love this slime for some reason because it like feels so good and it's really stretchy slime. It's a really pokey slime, and of course all the beads like fall out. Love it. Okay, now the last, but certainly not least, this is my like second slime I made in like the whole time I made slimes. Very stretchy, very stretchy. I usually play with this one. It's a very pokey one, I should say. And I don't know what to call this one either. I mean, like, comment down below which one I should name this. So yeah, comment down below what I should name this one too. Cherry or strawberry. And comment down below what I should name. Oh, this one. So that's it for today. Make sure you comment down below. Give a big thumbs up. Give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.